Your company's world spins around your products. The resulting product data is so much more than just numbers and facts. They are the driving force for innovation, quality, and efficiency. This data is your greatest treasure. That's why your product data deserves the very best handling.
That's where we come in.
Our hearts beat for your product data. We strive to bring people, data, and processes closer together. The result, all your data and processes in one system, SAP. There is only one central place for your product data, a single source of truth.
At DSC, we call this Integrative PLM.
As your reliable partner, we will develop the perfect solution with you that meets your requirements.
On-premise, in the cloud, or as a hybrid solution.
So that your brilliant ideas turn into successful products even faster. You can trust us because we are committed to
Innovation,
empathy,
Fairness,
partnership.
authenticity.
In a nutshell, we are your companion for Integrative PLM.